Good morning, children. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today, children, I am going to teach you EN sound words. EN sound words. Sound of E is, I had already taught you, sound of E is A. Sound of N is N. A, in, N. A, in, N. A, in, N. Now children, now I am going to write 3-letter words which I had taught you while teaching E sound. E sound. Sound of E is A. Sound of N is N. N. Ha and N is hen. Ha and N is hen. This is P. Sound of P is pa. Pa and N is pen. Pa and N is pen. This is D. Sound of D is da. Da and N is den. Da and N is den. This is T. Sound of T is ta. Ta and N is ten. Ta and N is Ta and N is 10. Children, A, N, N. E, N. Sound of E, N is N. Ha, N, hen. Pa, N, pen. Da, N, den. Ta, N, ten. Children, hope you all understood N sound. Now open your English class work. Write these words neatly. Thank you, children.